Namba ya o muthenya andu aria magwatite murimu wa COVID-19 igithina mbere guikuruka guku bururi-ini, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite gikiti gitumi kia andu kwambiriria kwagarara kana kuregeria mawatho maria magathikitwo ma kuhurana na murimu uyu, idiriririo ihinda ria andu othe guteithaniria hari kuhurana na murimu uyu. Ministry no yugite gicunje kia 98 hari igana kia andu othe aria magwatite murimu uyu maugwatire matura-ini matiganite guku bururi-ini editi kuma nja wa bururi, na koguo kaunti ciothe ciagire gutigira ni ciahingia watho wa president wa gukorwo na itanda 300 iria ihariririo cia arwaru a COVID-19 makiri ihinda-ini riri amu gutiri kaunti itari na murwaru.
34,117, which is 98% of the 34,705 confirmed cases in the country are local transmissions. It is for this reason that His Excellency the President directed that all counties must raise their level of preparedness by ensuring that they put up a 300-bed capacity in readiness for any eventuality that might arise from this pandemic.
Gicunje kia 2.6 hari igana kia atungata arwaru guku bururi-ini nikio kigwatite murimu wa COVID-19 undu uria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irahurana naguo na njira ya kuheana indo cia kwigitira murimu uyu amu gutire mutungata wa arwaru agirire kugwata murimu riria ari wira-ini.
It's 918 healthcare workers who have been infected by COVID-19, which is 2.6% compared to the global 10%. We are not thumping our chest about the 2.6%. Ideally, no healthcare worker ought to get COVID-19 in his or her place of work. And that is why we continue to ensure adequate supplies of PPEs, capacity building, and infection prevention control measures.
Hari ithimi 178 iria tafanitio rungu rwa mathaa 24 mahituku, andu 179 nio magwatite murimu wa COVID-19 na gukinya namba ya arwaru othe 38,888 na hari namba io ya arwaru a umuthi athuri ni 126 na atumia 53.
Cumulative number of tests stand at 467,677. So that's where we are today, 34,884 positive cases in the country. Of these cases, 162 are Kenyans and 17 are foreigners. The youngest is a 1-year-old child, the oldest is 75.
Andu angi 415 ni mahotete murimu uyu na ukinya namba ya aria mahonete 21,159 na hari namba ino 258 mahoneire mathibitari-ini na 161 makaonera micini guku na andu ana magikua na gukinya 589. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.